Hello dear friends, this is Mansoor Ahmad, and in this tutorial I will tell you that how to make USB bootable. So first of all, insert USB in your laptop. After making USB bootable, you will be able to install Windows from USB in your laptop. So first of all, insert USB in your laptop, then go to run and type disk part and click on yes. Then type list disk and then type select disk 1. Now type clean and then create partition primary. Disk part succeeded in creating the specified partition. Now type format fs is equal to ntfs quick now type assign and finally click on exit. Now copy all Windows files from CD drive to your USB and then restart your PC and boot USB from your BIOS setting. Then your window will start from USB. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you, thanks a lot, goodbye.